I would like to pose a question to Rastogi sir again. Sir, what in advocacy, mentorship becomes very important, and is it very it's a very popular saying in our profession. Has horses belongs to stables, lawyers belong to chambers. So, sir, what would you suggest the young lawyers to look into their mentors, or what qualities should they look into a chamber that can teach them or guide them to the right direction?
Every lawyer coming to profession is joining from chicken. And chamber has its own reputation, regard and respect. And those who left those chambers at a later point of time, they felt privileged that I belong to chamber of so and so. But I find in the last almost a decade and a half, this chamber business is complicated. There is chamber system. So I don't know whether it is good or bad, but chamber was good in earlier time because you learn there, you learn court ethics, you learn discipline, you learn how to respond to the people, you know what the culture you have to follow. Now every law graduate is after enrollment become a lawyer in itself. So there is a problem you are facing now. So my request only to young lawyers and budding lawyers is, you may make a mentor or not is your choice. You want to join someone's reputed chamber is your choice. But please learn court craft by sitting in court. Sir, learn how the lawyers plead, how the lawyers present their matters, how the lawyers perceive the query made by the court, how the court crafts is being developed by them, because they have very rich experience of working. And you will not find somewhere in books. This all you learn the experience. And experience you gain by time. You can't gain experience overnight. So my only request and advice to the young lawyers is, please spend your time in court. Learn the seniors, how they perform, how they make their queries to the court, and how the clarity on the subject they have. If these things are being followed by them, even if you don't have a mentor or you don't have a chamber, by passage of time you will learn. That might be, I think, if they follow, something will come forward in times to come.